Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a small trick, or rather you can call it an interesting one, and that is like the ASCII version of Star Wars, and that too in Windows using Telnet. In my channel, I upload tech related videos ranging from Flutter, Python, encryption tutorials to tech tricks every week. So, ready to join me in this journey or curious to learn more? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on the notification. Also, don't forget to like the video. Now, hoping that you have subscribed, let's continue. Let's begin and see how to do it. So it is rather very simple, but first you need to check. Okay, this is, I know that many people might not have this feature. So in order to check this, what you can do is just type telnet, and I have I have this as one of the one of the listings because I have installed it. But in case you don't find this, just go to turn Windows features on and off, and now just check that you have this you have checked this checkbox. And if you have not, then you need to do this, and once you do, you need directed to some dialog box where it will install automatically. So once you have done this, now you can go and click on run, and after this you need to write telnet, and here you can see I have that already in the listings, telnet terminal dot blinkenlights.nl, and then press on OK. Once you press OK, now you can see this coming. So let's wait and watch this stuff. It is kind of interesting one because you might not have seen this version ever. So here the movie begins and this continues. So this is how you can watch the ASCII version of Star Wars. This is a simple trick but an interesting one. Hope you like it. And if you liked my video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. Thank you.